Hello and welcome back to another episode of Stu's Reviews. So today, we're going to take a look at these cables by BlitzWolf, and we're going to find out if these are the strongest cables ever. These cables by BlitzWolf come in a variety of forms. Lightning cables for iPhones, USB-C and micro USB are among the most popular options. Made from a Kevlar weave, these cables are supposed to be some of the strongest ever made and nearly unbreakable. Now, BlitzWolf have sent me a massive amount of these, and I was thinking to myself, how could I possibly review these cables and make it interesting? Well, as I've said, they are the strongest ever made. So I'm going to test that by swinging from a tree using just one of these cables and see if it works afterwards.
Is this your idea? I'm going to kill you. There we are. Hey. Okay, cable's attached to the tree. And here I go. So I seem to be swinging. Well, I seem to be hanging by this cable. Oh, dude. I can't do it anymore. My arms fall off. Me.
Now that we're back in the studio, I'm going to see whether or not that cable still works. So I have it here, still attached to the rope. And I'm going to plug this end down here in the wall. Give me just a second. Ooh. Why is it that USB has a 50% chance of going in the right way, but goes in the wrong way 100% of the time? It's a conspiracy. Anyway, let's see if it charges this phone. And there we go. So the cable can indeed support my weight and charge the phone afterwards. I'm quite impressed with this. Before we move on, it's important to say that yes, it can hold my weight and the cables can charge afterwards, which is impressive in itself. BlitzWolf emailed me and they said that the fibres inside the actual cables themselves are military grade and they can pull a 1.3 ton car.
Well, here it goes. What happened? Well, that was disappointing. But I never went.
Okay, so it didn't pull a car and it didn't live up to the expectations that BlitzWolf had set. But I doubt many people will be towing their car with these cables. I mean, come on. It manages to suspend my own weight, which is about 15 stone, from a tree. and still work afterwards. So I'm impressed with that. And I think actually they're probably pretty strong compared to a lot of cables out there. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourselves. And guys, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, because it will really help me out and it will help you see more Stu's reviews. And I'll see you back for another episode soon.